Welcome to my new blog post number 30. And in today's blog post, I'm going to discuss about the key elements of project management. So let's start. So first come first is what are these keys? So basically, project comprise of several keys that, when effectively managed, result in their successful completion. So these various keys are basically interrelated to one another during the management of a project. So first key is basically project life cycle. Basically, project life cycle is series of phases that a project passes through from its start to completion. So there are many life cycles. Uh, for example, predictive life cycle or incremental life cycle. Next one is basically project phase. Project phase is basically a collection of logically related project activities that accumulates in the completion of one or more deliverable. Then there is a phase gate. So basically, phase gate is basically a review point at the end of each phase in which a decision is made to continue to the next phase, to continue with a modification or a change, or to end that certain program or project. Then there is the fourth key is project management processes. So these are basically a very systematic series of activities directed towards causing an end result uh, where one or more inputs will be acting upon to create one or more outputs. After that, we have project management process groups. So basically, it's a logical grouping of a project management input, various tools, many techniques, and resulted outputs. So the project management process groups basically includes initiating of the project, planning of the project, execution of the project, monitoring and controlling of the project, and in the end, in case of successful or a failure, closing of the project. So these groups are not basically project phases. Then there are the sixth key is the most important key, which is project management knowledge areas. So basically, these are the identified areas of project management, and these are defined by its knowledge requirement and described in terms of its component processes, practices, inputs, output tools, and techniques. So this is just a brief description about these keys. In future, I'm going to shed more light on these ones. And so here is a question for you guys, and the question is like dash is the process of determining which risks may affect the project. So you have four choices. First one is quantitative assessment. Number two, plan risk-free management. Number three is basically identifying risk, and fourth one is all of the above. So please answer this question in the comment section of this video.